Hello guys, in this lecture we will learn about switching techniques in data communication. Switching. What is switching? When we send information from one device to another device, then the information is transferred from one device and other device from following through many switch terminals. This is called switching. Switching is the mechanism for moving information between different networks. Here you can see the diagramical representation of switching types types of switching. Number one type is circuit switching. Number two is message switching. Number three is packet switching. Circuit switching. What is circuit switching? When two nodes communicate with each other over a dedicated path is called circuit switching. There is a need of pre-specified route from which data will travel and no other data is permitted in circuit. Switching a dedicated channel or circuit is set up for a single connection between sender and recipient during the communication session. Once the connection is established between two parties, it will available till at the end of conversation. The channel is reserved between the user till the connection is active. Here you can see the diagramical representation of circuit switching. Next, for example, the communication that takes place between telephonic call is due to circuit switching. Application which use circuit switching may have go through three phases. Number one is establish the connection. Number two is transfer the data. Number three is disconnect the circuit. Next is advantage. The dedicated path circuit established between sender and receiver provides a guaranteed data rate. Number 2. Once the circuit is established, data transferred without any delay as there is no waiting time at each switch. Number 3. Since a dedicated continuous transmission path is established, the method is suitable for a long continuous transmission. The next disadvantage. As the connection is dedicated, it cannot be used to transmit any other data even if the channel is free. Period to actual data transfer, the time required to establish a physical link between the two stations is too long. Next. Next type is message switching. In message switching, it is not necessary to establish a dedicated path between sender and receiver. For sending message, there are many intermediary message switching nodes which are responsible for transferring the message, and the message is transmitted as whole from source to destination. Each message switching node receives entire message stored in it's entirely on disk and then transmit the message to next node if the node does not have enough resources to accommodate large size image. Here you can see the diagram of message switching. For example, the sending of an email or an SMS is an example of message switching. Advantages. Channel efficiency can be greater compared to circuit switch systems because more devices are sharing the channel. Message priorities can be established tied to store and forward techniques. Message switching in not recommend for real-time application like voice and video. Message switching is very slow because of a store and forward technique. Store and forward devices are expensive. Next and last type is packet switching. What is packet switching? In packet switching, messages are divided into small pieces called packets. Each packet contains source, destination, and node address, so the packets can be routed through internetwork independently. In packet switching, the transformation of information from sender to receiver is quite easier. For example, Ethernet frame. Here you can see the diagram of packet switching. Next is the difference between circuit, message, and packet switching. Number one, there is a physical connection between transmitter and receiver. Message no physical path is set in advance between transmitter and receiver. Packet no physical path is established between transmitter and receiver. Next, circuit need an end-to-end path before data transmission. Message no need of end-to-end path before data transmission. Packet no need of end-to-end path before data transmission. Circuit it cannot support store and forward transmission. Message it support store and forward transmission. Packet it support store and forward transmission. Circuit not suitable for handling interactive traffic. Message suitable for handling interactive traffic. Suitable for handling interactive traffic. Packet circuit all packets use same path. Message packets are stored and forward. Packet travel independently. Thank you so much for watching this video.